So what is Amazon FBA? Well, FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. So Amazon have multiple warehouses across the country. So picture yourself as a customer. So as a customer, you go onto Amazon's website and you purchase a product. Let's say this product is fulfilled by Amazon, and you'll know this because it will have a Prime Delivery logo on it. So you order the product and Amazon will pick, pack, and deliver that product straight to your door. They will also manage the customer service and returns. So as an Amazon FBA seller, all you would have to do is send in the inventory, and when you run out of stock, send in some more. So what is private label? Private label is essentially putting your own label or your own brand on a specific product. So let's take this book, for example. If you change this logo to your specific logo, that becomes your private label. That is your brand, your private label product. The same goes for this type of pen. So let's say you put this pen in a beautifully packaged box and you put a label on the box saying pens are us, or beautiful pens, or platinum pens. This becomes a private label product.